everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really special unboxing for you all. Look how big this box is, and it's like super heavy, and I can't wait to share this one with you all. So sit back because you all are going to absolutely enjoy this unboxing. So let's jump straight into opening up this box. So guys, this box was sent to me from all from one supplier. If you've not heard me talking about them, or if you've not seen them on my social media pages, you need to go check them out because they are doing amazing things. Now, all from one supplier, they're not a brand new company. They're also affiliated with Travel Span Vacations and Emeralds Travel and Globe Span, and I'm sure a lot of you know these names. They're very synonymous. When you hear those names, you think about travel. So I'm so excited that they're doing this for us. What they're doing is bringing to your home anywhere in the US all of the goodies and all of the treats and all of the food items you miss from back home, whether it be Trinidad or Guyana or wherever you're from in the Caribbean. So let's start with this box. So guys, when I opened this package, I saw how beautifully wrapped everything was. They properly secured it. They didn't just put the snacks just like that in the box for you. They made sure and put it in these nice clear containers to make sure that it doesn't get squished during transportation. So, well, as I have this in my hand, we got 8 bars or 2 packs of caramel. So I'm going to set that aside. Here we have 6 Chiny cakes. And if you're Guyanese, you know what this is. If you're not, this is a pastry that's filled with a black eye sweet paste filling. And my friend Trishna had actually introduced me to that. The other item, I see here we have some pine tarts. And you guys know that pine tarts, it's a Guyanese staple also. So I'm sure you all are watching this video and you're dribbling right now. So I got 6 of these. Next, we have a piece of Salara. And you guys know what Salara is, right? It's like a coconut turnover, and it's absolutely amazing. Here we have split chana. So, I can't wait to get my hands or eat this because I love crunchy stuff. So that is going to come in so handy. And I see pepper flakes in there. Okay, so here I have cheese rolls, and I got 2 packs of 3, so we have 6 cheese rolls in here. You guys, I'm not opening the snacks or the goodies for you all to see individually what it looks like, but I can tell you it looks really delicious just through the packaging. I want to get through this really fast so you all can see what we have here, so you guys can jump over to allfromonesupplier.com and place your orders. I'll leave their link in the description box. Here we have 2 3-pack fruit buns. This one is like a fruity coconut drops. So we have 6 of these in here, and I may be running out of space pretty soon. Okay, let me open up this one because this one is exciting. Let's see. We have a Cocoa Crisp, Tiki Vanilla Trilla, Tiki Hazelnut, Catch, Nuggle, Custard Cream, and a Coconut Cream. OMG guys, I am going to get fat. You guys are going to go crazy when you go on their website. You can get every single thing from back home. So here's our next container. And in this one we have bourbon creams, we have chocolate creams, and we have vanilla creams. Okay, another box, another package. And this one, let me see what we have in here. We have a big pack of ping pong. We have a big pack of Zumas. Zumas is one of my favorites. A big pack of Bigfoot. A big pack of choo-choos. And a pack of cheesies. Now guys, I want to tell you all of you are seeing one of these snacks. So you can order 2, 3, 4 depending on how many kids you have. So when you place the order, feel free to order the amount you would like. So I see some drinks on the side. So we have Nestle Peanut Punch, Choc Nuts, and an Orchard. Who doesn't love an Orchard? Orchard makes a really great orange cake. And in this beautifully packaged bag, I have bags like these. I remember I did them for Best Fest. We have a bottle of Bertie's Scorpion Pepper Sauce. I love this Scorpion Pepper Sauce. It's absolutely my favorite. So I'm so glad for this. Okay, and inside this box has another box, guys. Oh my god. Wow. I'll need some help. 1 second. Look at this. There's a box in there. I have to get it out. Wow, guys. I'm sure you all were not expecting all of this. This is a little thank you card from them. Please enjoy this gift, Natasha. So, thank you so much, guys. You all are awesome. So let's get into this box. And it says dry ice warning. So we have some food items now. Oh, everything is nice and cool. Okay, the ice is still hard. So I'm really excited for this one, guys. This one is going to be out of this world for you. So here we have doubles cheddar. Smells yummy. So we have the doubles cheddar. We set that aside. So I got 2 sets of doubles cheddar. That's gonna make a good bit of doubles. Here we have the mango chutney. And here we have the bara. So these are the baras for the doubles, guys. Doubles. Who knew you can order doubles and get it sent to you anywhere in the US? And guess what? Shipping is free. Shipping is free for everything you see here. So we just set that aside. Doubles. Oh my god. Doubles, guys. So many of you have Tabanca. You guys are missing Trinidad. So we have the last package in here. Let me open this and see what this one is. Ooh. Wow. Look what I got. Wow, guys. Chatigne / Katahar. It's already steamed, so you just have to add your curry and your seasonings and cook it. So I'll definitely do a video showing you guys how I cook this. This is going to come in so handy for Eid and Diwali. So if you guys are missing chatigne, you definitely need to place this order. Look at all of these awesome products that I got in this big box, and it was shipped to me. The food comes on ice. You guys have to order the doubles. Everything here was so amazingly packaged, put together. The thought process that went into this, exceptional. I love it. I am so excited to just start to dig in, to taste everything. Guys, please stop what you're doing. Click on that link in my description box. Right now, if you use the code Natasha, you get 10% off your order. So don't wait. Go right now before anything sells out. Thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing. I thoroughly enjoyed it. Thank you to all from One Supplier for this awesome package. And I'll see you guys. Make sure and comment and let me know what you got. Bye guys. Have a good one.